Hey guys, this is AB Johnson. I'm going to do a flip cup today, and I'm going to show you my colors. These were mixed up already because I wanted to do a test piece first. Here's the test piece over here. I was pretty happy how it turned out, but I think it needs a little bit of contrast. And that's why I have this lime green here. I also have ColourArte Treasure Gold. I've got Apple Barrel White mixed with Floetrol and some glue. Titan Pale Green by Golden. Light Pink by Liquitex. This is Blue Phthalo. It comes from a big jug. I'll go get it in a second. This is Rust-Oleum Glacier Blue. This is my big bottle of blue that I like quite a bit. It's cost effective, it's nicely pigmented, it mixes up nicely. I recommend these paints. I've also had like a magenta, and I also use the white and the black. I will mix up some of this so you can see how I mix. Okay, so I'm using mainly Floetrol, and I thin my paints with a mixture of glue and water. Glue 60, water 4. These, I love these squeeze bottles. They're nice for mediums that are thicker and that you don't need a specific amount of, because it gets out here pretty fast. It'd be hard to measure that, and I think water is just too thin. But I have the affiliate link in my description. I like them quite a bit. Squirt. And then I'm adding the paint. I'm probably doing it a little backwards, but alright, this tube, what is this? This is Liquitex, lime green. There's not a whole lot left in here. I'm going to mix that up and see what the color looks like. Okay, now I got some more room to add Floetrol or the glue and water. I think I'm going to add a little more Floetrol just to make it go further. Color looks good. And that is right here, same squeeze bottle. Here.
paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.